Today we are going to learn smart way of getting index of substring. Now let's get started. Here you can say I've already created a string variable called string1 with the text Python program. Here I want to find the start index of substring program in variable string1. For that people generally use index function which is provided by the string. First you need to use the string1 variable, then you need to use the index function, and here you need to pass the substring. Here a substring would be program, and that's it. Now let's try to run this code. I'm going to use Python and the file name is 246. Enter. Here you can see given me the index 7. Say we don't have a program uh, in this string. On that case, let's see how the code behaves to it. Here you can see it has given me substring not found value error. On this case, either you need to use try catch or you need to have an additional condition like an if condition where you need to use in keyword to identify whether your substring is available in your main string or not. Something like this. If program in, let me clear this typo error. If program in variable string1, and here I need to fix the indentation because in Python everything is indented by a tab space. Now if I try to run my code, this time it will not throw me an error. Here you can see it didn't throw me an error. Now let's add program back to this string variable. Now I'm going to add this. I've added it. Now if I try to run my code again, it will work fine. Here you can see it is giving me the index 7, but there is a smart way of doing this. Instead of using this if condition plus index combination, you can directly find the index in a better way, that is using find function. Let's use that one. For that also you need to use a string one variable. Once you've used this string one variable, you need to use the find function. Find function also takes an argument that you need to pass a substring. Here the substring is program. Now if I give this and if I try to run my code, I should see 7 in my terminal. Here you can see it is giving me 7. Say if I remove this program, on that case it will not throw error. Let me show that to you. Instead it will return us -1 because that substring is not found in the main string. This is how it works, and this is the smart way of finding start index of a substring. Thanks for watching.